Welcome everyone to my new lecture. Today we will be discussing about cell membrane. Suppose here I have taken balloon and fill it up with water, and after that we gently compress it. Here we can see that size of the balloon decreases along with water present inside it. Here the balloon serves as the protective covering over the water present inside it. Same can be applied to cell membrane because it acts as the covering over the cell contents like cell organelles and cytoplasm present inside it. Here I have listed characteristics of cell membrane. Previously I have taken an example of balloon, how its shape changes because they have the elasticity and flexibility properties. Here also cell membrane, it has also elastic and flexible characters. So because of that, it can change its shape easily. For example, like white cell of our body destroying invading foreign materials like bacteria, virus, etc. by the process called phagocytosis, because in this process the white cell of our body forms cup-like structure and capture its invading organism. Here is the structure of cell membrane. Here we can see that there are somewhat cylindrical or rounded structures. These are nothing but these are protein molecules. On top of that, some chain-like structure are also present. These are polysaccharide chain made up of many layers of many monosaccharides or sugar molecules arranged in a chain-like structure. These are called polysaccharide chain. In between there are somewhat spherical and tail-like structure. These are phospholipid layer arranged in two layers, that is, this one is first layer and this one is second layer. Hence we call it as phospholipid bimolecular layer. This is the simple diagram of phospholipid molecule. This one is head part, which is polar in nature. It is attracted to water in the cytoplasm and hence it is also called hydrophilic. Tail part is non-polar tail. It is not attracted to water. It is also called hydrophobic end. Head part is made up of phosphate, whereas tail part is made up of lipid. Here is the structure of pore in the cell membrane. We have discussed that this one is protein molecule and these chain-like structures are polysaccharide chain made up of many chain of monosaccharides. The main property of pore of the cell membrane is it is semi-permeable in nature, and hence it is also called partially permeable. It allows some molecule to pass through. It allows some molecule to pass through and doesn't allow some molecule to pass through it. For example, like small molecules, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide, it allows them to pass through it, whereas like glucose, sucrose, proteins, it doesn't allow them to pass through because they are large in structure. Here below, I have given the simple arranging structure of phospholipid layer. The head part, which is attracted to water, is aligned towards water, whereas tail part, which is not attracted to water, in both layers, they are arranged oppositely, such that head part is facing towards water and tail part is opposite to water. So this is all for today. Today we have discussed about cell membrane. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about nucleus.